Hi, room 15. So today is day 2 of Number Corner. So remember, yesterday we went over these 4 days for April. So we're going to move on and continue the next 4 days to try and catch up. So the next day would have been April 5th. So if you notice, this looks a lot different than our garden beds. So remember, our garden beds, they were whole parts, not a set, because it's one whole thing that's broken up into parts. But this is a lot different. This is not one whole thing. It's like a group of objects. So when it is a group of objects, we call this a set. Okay? So I'm going to go back to our grid. So it's April 5th. This would be considered a set. And now we change it from parts to items. So as you can see, there are 5 parts because there are 5 strawberries. So we could write 5 strawberries or parts. And then the observations are that I'm going to write that as a whole set of strawberries. This is a whole set of strawberries. Okay? I'm just going to draw a line across just so I don't get mixed up. Okay, so now we're moving on to April 6th. So this, as you can see, is a little bit different than April 5th because we added here a blueberry, okay? So it is still a set. So let me bring this over here. So this is still a set. So we'll write set. There are no longer 5 strawberries. There are now 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries. So I'm going to write 4 strawberries. And 1 blueberry. Okay, so now here is where we're going to change our observations. So we've done this before with the number of tiles in Number Corner on the magic wall. I'm going to write a fraction. Remember, a fraction, the part on the top is how many, and then the part on the bottom is the total. So there's still 5 items, but 4 of them are strawberries. So I would write 4/5 are strawberries. So as you can see, I wrote that line. Remember, that's how we write a fraction. 4 are strawberries. And then there are 5 total pieces of fruit because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to write 1/5 are blueberries because there's 1 blueberry out of 5 total items. Okay? All right, next is April 7th, which was on a Tuesday. So April 7th, let's bring this back over here. So this is 4/7. This is a set. And then there are 3 strawberries this time and 2 blueberries this time. Okay? And then we'll write the fractions again. So how many strawberries are there? 3, but how many total items? 5. So the fraction would be 3/5 are strawberries. And 2/5 are blueberries. Okay? Next is the 8th. Okay, so 4/8 is the date. It is still a set. Now there's 2 strawberries as you can see, it's less and less are strawberries, but more and more are blueberries. So it's almost like you take one strawberry away and you change it to blueberries, a blueberry on the next card. Did you notice that pattern? I did. So this time there's 3 blueberries. Okay, so that fraction is 2/5. You don't say 2/5, you have to say 2/5. And then 3/5 are blueberries. Okay. And the last card of the day is the 9th. So we are almost caught up to the actual date. So 1 strawberry, 4 blueberries. Oh. It is 1/5 strawberry and 4/5 are blueberries. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, so this month, as you can see, we will be studying fractions, okay? Parts of wholes. All right, I will see you next time.